Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Diane's Decorating and More. I'm here in the guest bedroom, guys, and I'm going to be changing over how I have this bedroom set up here. Okay, and I wanted to pop in and share this video with you. Okay, I believe that you will enjoy what you will see here as I change up this bedroom. Okay. And I'm getting ready to transition over from the summer into the fall. So I would like for you to leave your comments, okay? And share with me what you think of the colors that I'm going to be changing up, okay? As well as the curtains. As you can see, they're yellow and white from the summer. And I'm going to be adding a touch of brown, okay? As we get ready for the fall in this bedroom. So I'm going to show you some snapshots and a few things here that I'm going to be updating in this room. So be sure to leave a comment or suggestion, okay, about the bedroom. Appreciate that, all right? Stay tuned as we get started and changing out these curtains, all right? Coming together pretty good. All right, now we're going to switch over to the next window over there, and we're going to hang up the brown section along with the white as well. So I'm going to switch over. Okay guys, what's that is a present. And I like what I see also on that, so it's coming together slowly. Stay tuned. So guys, this is part 1 of the makeover for the guest bedroom. Changing up from the summer to the fall. And this is the second window here. That's the little bear. I love bears, okay? So I'm not parting with my bear. I absolutely love these colors and how they all came together to represent fall this year. Very, very lovely. And this comforter set, guys, I've had it for a number of years, but I've always used it in the master bedroom. Never thought about using it for the guest bedroom. So I changed it up this year. I think it turned out pretty good. Now what I might do is give myself a little time to shop extra and find a throw to go under this centerpiece right here for the bed. maybe something in a burnt orange or forest green maybe. I think that would be lovely to add to this bedroom. I like the curtains, the way they turned out. I like everything, how it combines together. I tell you, I really am pleased with this and the way it turned out. So I'll take a few shots and add it to the video when I find a throw that I like to add to the foot of the bed. Alrighty, so that's what I've done so far as we transition from summer, which has been extremely hot, over into the fall, the latter part of August. Yes, I'm looking forward to fall, guys. I am. Oh my gosh, I will not miss this heat. I'll be glad to welcome fall in. It's one of my favorite times of the year. Okay, guys, I just wanted to pop back on. Remember at the other end of the video where I said that if I found a throw for the bed, that I would come back and add that to the bed, right? Well, guess what? I stumbled across this velvet. I tell you, it is so soft, guys. Oh my gosh. It is a throw. Yes, it is. And it is so soft. And I got it at Ross. Sure did. And it was under $16. Yes. So if you're looking for one, there you go. That's where you can find it. Righty. They had different colors there too. I chose green for this bed simply because I wanted to bring out that extra fall color. Okay? Alright. So, hope you have enjoyed this quick little video here, put together this guest room here. Be sure to comment, like, and share as I make changes in baking, decorating, and transitioning over into the fall. Once again, y'all go out and have a great one, and we'll see you guys in the next video.